Hello children, now this is your last sum in exercise 6.1. Let us draw the diagram as per the question. Given XYZ is equal to 64 degree, that means it is an acute angle. XY is produced to point P, that means XY, this is your XY, it is produced. What is the meaning of produced? Means it is extended to point P. But they have given XYZ is 64, that means from XY, Y is 64 degree, that means I have to draw an acute angle Z, which is 64 degree. Draw a figure if ray YQ bisects ZYP. ZYP is bisected. Bisected means this ray YQ from Y, if I draw Q, this ray is cutting ZYP into two equal half. That means whatever is the measurement of this, that only is the measurement of this. That means this YQ is cutting this obtuse angle into two equal half. This is acute, so of course this will be obtuse. So if this is A, then this will also be A. Now we know children that this ZYP has become a straight line. So if your ZYP is a straight line, then it is 180 degree. So I can say XYZ, that is 64 degree plus A degree plus A degree will all work out to 180. So A plus A is 2A. 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. So 2A is equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 116. So A is equal to 116 by 2, which is equal to 58 degree. So this A is 58 degree. So if this is 58 degree, that means this is also 58 degree. So we have finished till here. Now they are asking find XYQ. So what is XYQ? XYQ is from here to here, that is XYZ plus ZYQ. So we can say XYQ is equal to XYZ plus ZYQ, that is 64 plus 58 degree. So this will work out to 122 degree. So this is 122. And reflex of QYP. What is reflex of QYP children? QYP is like this. So reflex means the outer part of QYP. That means from here to here, QYP. Now we know children, angles at a point add up to 360 degree. We have done in fourth sum I think. So angles at a point add up to 360. That means this plus this will give you 360. So I can say QYP plus reflex of QYP add up to 360. Why? Because you can write the answer as angles at a point add up to 360. So reflex of QYP will give you 360 minus, and we know what is QYP children? QYP is 58. So here I can write 58. So when plus 58 goes here, it will become minus 58. So just you have to subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 302 degree. So your answer is 302. Hope you understood it. Bye. See you.